This is something that, you know, we've been looking forward to so long, and it's finally happened. And it's just a big deal for us car guys. What's up guys, and welcome back. Good morning. Today's a very busy day. I think this is going to be a 3-part vlog. So the first part, we're headed out right now to Mumbai Trans Harbour Link. Probably the most awaited thing for a Mumbai car guy. Well, this is not the most awaited thing. We have the coastal road coming up as well. But the Mumbai Trans Harbour Link is good enough for now. And they're also opening up the coastal road later this month. Phase 1, right, Rob?
Yeah, underground one.
Will be the underground one.
Marine Drive to Hachirali.
But we're not going to be end up using it because that's not something. Probably at night time when we come back from drives, it'll be a little convenient, but I don't think it's going to put a big impact for us. But the Trans Harbour Link definitely, because it cuts down 2 hours of travel time supposedly. Now we don't have to go through the old way and get on the Vashi toll bridge or whatever you guys want to call it, the Navi Mumbai toll bridge, which takes forever. This one, 2 hours cut off, just straight, 21 kilometers. 16 of those kilometers are on the water, on the sea. Yeah, really excited to check that out. Then we're going to meet up with Imran and rest of the crew, and we have another event today, the Agio Lux Luxury Week, where we're having the supercar drives, you know, performance car drive later on today. And then third part of the day, we're having a delivery of a new car. My boy Jagraj taking delivery of his brand new. You'll have to wait. Let's wait for that. So let's go. I'm really excited about this road. 21 kilometers, and we're in an M car. So what else do you need? As you guys can see, I have done a little bit more aesthetic cosmetic mods. We went ahead and de-chromed everything. Not a single piece of chrome on this car now, besides the chrome on Ruel's teeth. Ruel, you should get that. You should get like a gold teeth.
No thanks.
Something. If I get it for you, okay, comment below.
No,
if this video gets how many likes? I don't even know how many likes it is to be relevant anymore. Okay, like 5,000 likes. Ruel's gonna get a gold teeth with the diamond in it.
No chance.
Come on. Anyways, cosmetic mods, de-chromed everything, made everything gloss black. We also went ahead and did a GTS tune, I guess, that basically gives it a little update for the suspension and the transmission and the differential. Basically everything in the car is GTS now, besides the engine. That we're going to save for another day. I have to get a tune done, but got to do some preventive maintenance before we do that. So yeah. Anyways, I think I've narrowed down one color, what I want to do car in, so stay tuned for that as well. We also have to get the E-Coupe swapped out with the new motor. So we just sourced the motor, we're just waiting on some parts now. We have to call for the part, and I'm gonna drop it off and get the swap done. So yeah. So we're almost there, and I'm really excited. Give you a little facts on the Mumbai Trans Harbour Link right after I get over this speed bump. Holy crap. Oh my god. Anyways, and they started construction in 2018. Ruel, when did you hear about it? Because I felt like I just heard about it like 2 years ago.
Yeah, a couple of years ago.
Yeah, like they kept it on such a hush-hush. And with the whole new airport coming out, it's not Panvel. It's going to be like really convenient for everyone. It's going to be a second airport. Yeah, they spent 18,000 crores making this project, and it took what, 5 years to complete it? Almost 5.5 years. But not bad. It's a huge project. I can see why they took so much time. That's why the coastal road is taking so much time. This thing is actually India's longest bridge over the any type of water. 16 kilometers on the water. So a lot of people are going to be like, oh, it's so bad for the environment. Well, not you guys. You guys are car people. You guys appreciate this. But a lot of environmentalists were like, oh, it's so bad for the environment. They took the precautions and, made it necessary for the habitat and the wildlife around for them to not be disturbed. They put like noise barriers and stuff to reduce the sound so the local wildlife and the habitat doesn't get affected. I mean, obviously it's got affected a little bit, but not as bad, and obviously they can adapt to the new setting that they're in. But they also put up these vision barriers for security purposes.
Yeah, for the BRs.
They put up those for the Atomic Research Center. The Mercedes drive happening.
So
I had to show the AMG guys what a real car is. You can't spell AMG without M. Right now we're just getting on the freeway, so really excited. I'm kind of excited and nervous because I don't know, I'm not nervous. This is something that we've been looking forward to so long, and it's finally happened, and it's just a big deal for us car guys, man. I don't know how to tell you, especially a Mumbai car. It's a huge feeling being from Mumbai and something like this.
like 20 kilometers, no bad patch.
Yeah, exactly. It's so funny. There's so many drives happening today because everyone's going on this Trans Harbour Link. So many car groups. Porsche had a drive. Mercedes had a drive. The classic Mercedes group, All Stars, shout out Rayo, they had a drive too. And then one of our other friends, another friend group, another car group, Cars and Coffee, they had a drive as well. So the drive is going to see a lot of random people out today. So yeah, let's go. About to approach the Trans Harbour Link now. Like I'm in India right now, especially Mumbai. I definitely don't feel like I'm in Mumbai. But this is sick. I don't even feel like driving any fast. I don't even feel like driving fast over here. I'm just appreciating the road. Like this is look at this, guys. Like this is insane. There's a vision barrier, guys. Burying your vision. Is that even a word? More cars than I expected today. I mean, like at this time at least. But it's fine. Everyone looks like they're maintaining safe lane discipline, so and of course, India being India, we can't have anything nice because of people like this. Just stopping in the middle of the freaking Trans Harbour Link. Look at this. We're gonna be stopping ahead too, but at the safe zone where you should be stopping. We should be stopping there anyways, but I see the excitement. I'm gonna stop there, get a few pictures and B-roll for you guys. But we're gonna immediately leave. We're gonna stop and linger around like these guys. This is supposedly the safety spot. Everyone stopped safely.
Rescue station.
Rescue station. No one's getting rescued over here. But I guess this is the halfway point?
Probably.
So this is the halfway point, I guess. I don't know. But let's go. Start it. Grand Canyon, India. No, I'm kidding. They actually had to pave in between these mountains and make way. It's pretty cool. I guess we're supposed to make a U-turn there, but we'll enjoy the full experience for now. And we're gonna head back. Finally, guys, we got a road for us car guys in Mumbai. We had the cars. but now we have the road. So there's gonna be like food courts and like, you know, information centers and stuff for people traveling, you know, if they want to stop and get some food. Like us would love to get some food right now because I'm starving. Because I had a really very light dinner. I was expecting to be this hungry in the morning, so I wish the food court was up and running right now, but it's not. But we're gonna have to stop by and get some food in a bit. For now, let's enjoy this road. See the mountains they have to cut through to make these roads for us. So we're getting back on the Mumbai Trans Harbour Link now. Had a really long detour. I feel like our Mumbai Trans Harbour Link
Took lesser time.
less time than the actual U-turn process.
Any first impressions, first thoughts?
Amazing, it's amazing. It ends quickly. A lot of people said that, you know, even though it's like 16 kilometers, whatever, 21 kilometers long, you go through it really quick. And obviously it's not that, I mean, it's crowded, but, you know, it's not as crowded as C-Link or like, you know. It's a little out of my way to get here. Like, I wouldn't, I mean, I don't know. I might.
You wouldn't need to go to Lonavala for a good road or something like that.
Yeah, but like to do your Mexico draggy runs, but yeah, you know, it's a little out of the way for just to go for a drive, but you know, I could definitely see myself doing it because you know how we car guys are. So yeah, let's enjoy the way back now. You know, the M boys, if you see AMG fly past us, we gotta show them who's the daddy, you know? This is the exit. We're on Mumbai side now. This is, I guess you could say, I don't know what area this is, but this is the Eastern Freeway. It merges on. Pretty cool. Get off the road, you bald man! Did you go on the Trans Harbour Link yet? Did you go on the Trans Harbour Link?
Yeah, we did.
Look who it is, guys. Are you allowed to be on other channels?
I'm allowed. I'm allowed.
Now you're allowed. Whoa, if you know, you know. Alright guys, that's part 1 of 3 of today's vlog, probably 1 of 2. Trans Harbour Link, pretty cool. Definitely going to be going on there, making a lot more content for you guys. Probably gonna do more road trips now since, you know, it's much more easier to get out of Mumbai. It would mean a lot to me if you guys went ahead and subscribed and liked this video while you're at it too. So,
And leave a comment.
And leave a comment. I'll see you guys soon.